Good morning, this is Peter Rogers with the National Weather Service in La Crosse, Wisconsin, with a severe weather briefing for Saturday, April 15th, 2017. For today's briefing, we are concerned with strong to severe thunderstorms and locally heavy rainfall, especially later this afternoon into this evening, with the primary hazards being large hail and damaging wind, which could do damage to vehicles and trees, and also locally heavy rainfall, which could cause some minor river flooding or even some localized flash flooding. And this threat is primarily, again, this afternoon into this evening from 2 to 10 p.m. Now, there may be some thunderstorms earlier this morning that could cause problems with thunderstorm development later this afternoon, but most forecast guidance suggests that thunderstorms should become more widespread this afternoon into this evening ahead of an advancing cold front. Ahead of that cold front, we're looking for strong to severe storms to develop with locally heavy rainfall. Some areas could see 2 or more inches of rain, especially with the stronger storms and areas that see storms repeatedly over a longer time period. Primary threats area is highest across eastern Iowa into southwest Wisconsin, and again, that's from 2 to 10 p.m. this afternoon into this evening. Looking at the risk levels for the various hazards, mostly damaging wind and hail, although that heavy rainfall threat might actually be a bit higher, especially looking at areas that saw heavy rainfall Friday night across portions of southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa, and into southwest Wisconsin. In those areas, any heavy rainfall could potentially impact or make worse any flooding situation. So to summarize, we're looking at the potential for damage to vehicles and trees due to larger hail and damaging winds, also some minor river flooding with the heavy localized rainfall of 2 inches or more. And localized flash flooding is also possible, especially again for those areas that received significant rain Friday night. The greatest threat is this afternoon and evening from 2 to 10 p.m., primarily across eastern Iowa into southwest Wisconsin. Thank you for your time. If you have questions, please visit our website or interact with us through social media.